Alright, my good people, now welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, your number one channel for legitimate news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our nation, Nigeria. And just like we normally do, we don't come with breaking news. We don't come with updates we go like share give the general public. And the cocoa be say, the Kogi State Social Democratic Party gubernatorial candidate wey dey go by the name Alhaji Murtala Yakubu Ajaka. He now don come outside come strongly condemn wetin he describe as legislative autocracy and rascality by the Senate President wey be Godswill Akpabio in the handling of Senator Natasha during a recent Senate plenary section. And no be lie, my good people, no be small thing wey happen on Thursday for the Red Chamber of the National Assembly. You know say the Kogi lawmaker wey be Senator Natasha, as she dey make her way into the Red Chamber for the business as usual, for the business of the day, she come find out say her nameplate dey miss from her usual seat. Now we all know say for inside the Red Chamber, for inside the Nigerian Senate, everybody now they get their seats and their name plaster for there. With your name, you go know say na here na you dey sit down. But when she come reach office, she come see and say her nameplate no dey for the place where she dey normally dey sit. The woman now come dey disturbed by the development. She come dey raise her voice in protest. Now no be like say she ask the next man say how far who change my name. She no do like that. She just dey ginger dey holla say who change her name, who comot her name plate from the place where she dey normally dey sit down. Nobody respond properly. Now as the plenary come still continue, the Senate Chief Whip wey be Senator Tahir Mongunu, he na APC person from Borno North. He na come raise a point of order. He na come dey alert the Senate President Godswill Akpabio of the improper sitting position of Senator Natasha. But as the Senate Chief Whip now dey yarn dey give Godswill Akpabio, now Senator Natasha come still put mouth. He na come dey holla. She dey demand to know why her seat was changed without her consent. She say she no care at all if dem silence am o. She no dey fear anybody. She no dey fear the Senate President because he know very well say Godswill Akpabio don deny am her privilege. So based on say the plenary has been interrupted, the Senate President now gats do something about the matter. He now come order the sergeant at arms make him walk out the Kogi lawmaker wey be Senator Natasha out of the Red Chamber. And he come sama warning give her say if she continue to dey make noise for inside the Red Chamber, she go chop suspension. And to avoid more talk, they come switch off her microphone as security personnel dey try to remove her from the Red Chamber. But however, my good people, Senator Natasha no gree at all. She plaster. She no let the sergeant at arms move her comot for the Red Chamber. And she can't even proceed further to put volume for her voice. She dey let them know say she dey para well, she no get joy. She dey let the Senate President know say the way he take treat am just now, it no make sense at all. Then some senators come dey observe and say this matter go soon pass be careful, water go soon pass garri. They dey sense and say the situation go soon escalate. Some of them now come intervene for the matter. They come dey yarn dey give Senator Natasha make she do the calms. Senators from Kogi State led by Issa Jibrin plus the Senate leader wey be Opeyemi Bamidele, all of them come put mouth together dey yarn dey give Senator Natasha say make she let peace reign for inside the Nigerian Senate. Now for inside one statement wey dey issued on Thursday wey be the 20th day of February, the Kogi State Social Democratic Party gubernatorial candidate wey be Alhaji Murtala Yakubu Ajaka, he now come dey criticize the leadership style of the Senate President wey be Godswill Akpabio. He now come dey accuse the Senate President say the things and things wey he display for the plenary e no make sense at all. That na undemocratic tendencies and the thing fit undermine the integrity of the Senate. And the Alhaji sef even describe the video of the incident wey don go viral already as embarrassing. And he say that na evidence to show say the Senate under the leadership of Godswill Akpabio dey lack independence and respect for the constitutional principles. He say Nigerians now dey yearn for a Senate wey dey accountable and responsive to their needs. But now e no make sense at all say men now don dey use tyranny and insensitivities take dey deny elected representatives their right to speak for their constituents dem. Those kind levels no make sense at all. The thing dey pose a serious threat to democracy. And e no bad break for there at all. The Kogi State Social Democratic Party gubernatorial candidate wey be Alhaji Murtala Yakubu Ajaka, In na costing proceed further dey yarn say di senate president wey be Godswill Akpabio, given his vast political experience as a former governor plus minister and now president of the senate, im suppose possess di leadership skills to foster cooperation among lawmakers. Im suppose know what to do to make lawmakers cooperate regardless of their gender, regardless of their background, regardless of their political affiliation. And im now dey let the general public dey know say im no believe im eye, im no believe wetin im observe for the video. E dey very much embarrassing, and at the same time it's very much disappointing say the senate president wey be Godswill Akpabio dey constantly dey bully Senator Natasha. Those kind levels normal, e no make sense at all, and e no suppose continue. E gats stop. And im say like this now, the senate president Godswill Akpabio gats go. Im dey call on the senate now make dem take immediate action by replacing the senate president Godswill Akpabio. Make dem replace am with a more competent and inclusive leader. Then the Alhaji come dey draw ear, dey sama warning say the future of this our green country Nigeria, so the democracy, is very much at stake if the senate fails to uphold justice, if the senate come fail to uphold fairness and respect for all their members. And im dey urge the senate say make dem shift their focus towards improving the welfare, the lifestyle of the general public, the lifestyle of country people, rather than engaging in child's play for inside the National Assembly, rather than engaging in conflict wey dey erode democratic values, wey no dey in line with the things and things wey go promote democracy and rule of law for inside we nation Nigeria. And now for those of my country people wey no sabi, I wan give you another update. You know say technically this no be the first time wey complaint dey come in about the senate president wey be Godswill Akpabio, and this no be the first complaint about his leadership style. You know say reports bin reach our table some time ago about how Godswill Akpabio dey sarcastically dey insult senators. Normally, if na by age, many men for inside the National Assembly, the red chamber precisely, dem dey almost the same age with Godswill Akpabio, or some fit senior am, you understand. So based on say he na senate president, no give am right to dey insult the lawmakers dem, because most of them now get families for house. Most of them now get who dey look up to them as role model, as godfather, and all those levels dem. My good people, this na the information wey I wan share give the general public. Now anyhow the thing be you for body, or if you get contributions about the matter, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they like giving una legitimate news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green country wey be Nigeria. So if you like the updates and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring more news dey come, now you go first receive the updates and you go even receive am sharp. I dey come inside dey give into other legit news for you, my good people. Abeg try make you no go anywhere.